Improve your English with this engaging question and answer practice video. How's your day going?
Not bad. Thanks for asking.
What did you have for breakfast?
Just a bagel and some coffee.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going camping with some friends.
What's your favorite TV show?
I really enjoy watching Game of Thrones.
Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I just finished The Kite Runner. It was incredible.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm really into indie rock these days.
Do you follow any sports teams?
I'm a huge fan of the New York Yankees.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas. The decorations and festivities are so much fun.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a golden retriever named Buddy.
What's your favorite type of food?
I'm a big fan of Italian cuisine.
Do you like to cook?
Absolutely. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies.
What's your dream vacation spot?
I've always wanted to visit the Greek islands.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother and a younger sister.
What's your favorite season?
I love the fall with its crisp air and beautiful foliage.
Do you prefer the city or the country?
I'm more of a city person. I love the energy and culture.
What's your favorite color?
I've always been partial to the color blue.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy hiking and photography.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I'm a big fan of action and adventure films.
Do you like to travel?
Absolutely, I try to go somewhere new every year.
What's your favorite time of day?
I love the early morning when everything is quiet and peaceful.
Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I want to start exercising more regularly.
What's your favorite dessert?
I have a serious weakness for chocolate cake.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I'm definitely more of a coffee person.
What's your favorite book genre?
I really enjoy reading historical fiction novels.
Do you have any bad habits?
I tend to procrastinate sometimes.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love going for long hikes in the mountains.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can juggle pretty well.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love when it's sunny and warm, but not too hot.
Do you have any phobias?
I'm terrified of snakes.
What's your favorite board game?
I've always been a big fan of Scrabble.
Do you have any nicknames?
Some people call me Smiley.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
You can't beat a classic like chocolate chip cookie dough.
Do you have any strange habits?
I always have to make my bed first thing in the morning.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I love the vibrant colors of sunflowers.
Do you have any pet peeves?
I can't stand when people chew loudly.
What's your favorite quote?
The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can solve a Rubik's Cube pretty quickly.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Going on summer camping trips with my family.
Do you have any regrets?
I wish I had started saving money earlier.
What's your favorite type of candy?
I'm a sucker for Reese's peanut butter cups.
Do you have any weird food combinations you enjoy?
I like dipping my French fries in a milkshake.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
Curl up on the couch with a good book and some hot tea.
Do you have any strange superstitions?
I always knock on wood after saying something positive.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
You can't go wrong with a classic pepperoni pizza.
Do you have any morning routines?
I like to start my day with some light stretching and meditation.
What's your favorite article of clothing?
I live in my comfy sweatpants whenever I can.
Do you have any unusual skills?
I'm pretty good at doing vocal impressions of cartoon characters.
What's your favorite type of joke?
I'm a big fan of cheesy puns.
Do you have any bad habits you're trying to break?
I'm trying to stop biting my nails.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I really enjoy going for long runs outdoors.
Do you have any unusual fears?
I have a weird fear of butterflies.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
Baking Christmas cookies with my family.
Do you have any strange collections?
I collect vintage lunchboxes from the 80s.
What's your favorite board game?
I'm a big fan of Settlers of Catan.
Do you have any talents you wish you had?
I wish I could play a musical instrument.
What's your favorite type of art?
I'm really drawn to abstract expressionist paintings.
Do you have any weird phobias?
I have a strange fear of clowns.
What's your favorite childhood book?
I loved reading the Chronicles of Narnia series.
Do you have any nicknames from childhood?
My family used to call me Squirt.
What's your favorite sandwich?
You can't beat a classic BLT sandwich.
Do you have any strange habits when you're nervous?
I tend to crack my knuckles a lot.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I'm a big fan of fresh pineapple.
Do you have any bucket list items?
I really want to go skydiving one day.
What's your favorite non-alcoholic beverage?
I love a good old-fashioned lemonade.
Do you have any strange addictions?
I'm addicted to watching cat videos online.
What's your favorite type of nut?
Cashews are my go-to snack nut.
Do you have any weird party tricks?
I can make my eyes go in different directions.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I'm a big fan of sharp cheddar cheese.
Do you have any strange collections?
I collect antique typewriters.
What's your favorite type of soup?
I love a hearty bowl of clam chowder.
Do you have any weird habits in the shower?
I have to wash my hair twice every time.
What's your favorite type of cookie?
Soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies are the best.
Do you have any strange sleep habits?
I have to sleep with a fan on for the white noise.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
Belgian waffles with fresh berries and whipped cream.
Do you have any weird quirks?
I alphabetize my bookshelves for fun.
What's your favorite type of cake?
You can't go wrong with a moist red velvet cake.
Do you have any strange ways to relieve stress?
I like to clean when I'm feeling overwhelmed.
What's your favorite junk food?
Potato chips are my biggest weakness.
Do you have any weird bedtime routines?
I have to fluff my pillows a certain way before I can fall asleep.
What's your favorite type of salad dressing?
I'm a big fan of balsamic vinaigrette.
Do you have any strange body quirks?
I can raise one eyebrow at a time.
What's your favorite appetizer?
Spinach and artichoke dip is so addictive.
Do you have any weird habits in the car?
I have to adjust all the vents before I start driving.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I love a classic plate of spaghetti and meatballs.
Do you have any strange lucky charms?
I always have to wear my lucky socks for important events.
What's your favorite Mexican dish?
I'm a huge fan of chicken enchiladas.
Do you have any weird quirks when you're bored?
I tend to click pens over and over again.
What's your favorite type of pie?
You can't go wrong with a classic apple pie.
Do you have any strange ways to wake up?
I have to do 10 jumping jacks before I feel awake.
What's your favorite breakfast pastry?
Fresh, warm cinnamon rolls are hard to beat.
Do you have any weird quirks in public?
I unconsciously mouth the words on signs and billboards.
What's your favorite condiment?
I put hot sauce on just about everything.
Do you have any strange nervous habits?
I tend to crack my knuckles when I'm anxious.
What's your favorite type of burger?
I'm a big fan of mushroom Swiss burgers.
Do you have any weird bedtime stories from childhood?
My dad used to make up silly stories about talking vegetables.
What's your favorite milkshake flavor?
You can't go wrong with an Oreo milkshake.
Do you have any strange ways to remember things?
I associate everything with silly songs in my head.
What's your favorite type of ethnic cuisine?
I love trying different kinds of Indian curries.
Do you have any weird quirks when you're stressed?
I have to crack every joint in my body.
What's your favorite type of potato dish?
Loaded baked potatoes smothered in cheese and bacon.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out other resources that can support your English learning journey. Further practice is key to improving.